What's the meaning of Balkanize? Balkanize. Balkanize.
Balkanize. Balkanize. The term Balkanize refers to the process of dividing a region or state into smaller, often hostile, political units. The term originated from the Balkan Peninsula, which is a region in southeastern Europe that has a long history of political fragmentation and ethnic conflict. Balkanization occurs when a larger political entity, such as a country or empire, breaks up into smaller factions, often based on cultural or ethnic lines. This can result in political instability, conflicts between neighboring factions, and difficulty managing resources and infrastructure. The term has also been used metaphorically to describe the breaking up of other entities, such as corporations, into smaller, less efficient units.